welcome and welcome back to Vibes with Shelly. Today she will be making beet juice for you guys, so if you guys are interested, keep watching and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, just an FYI, my mom is only making a little bit of juice, but if you guys want to make more juice, you guys can increase your ingredients. But today she will be using 3 carrots, 2 apples, 1 piece of ginger, 2 limes, and 1 beet. So now guys, what she's doing is she's washing all the ingredients, making sure that they are ready to be cut and blended. So guys, to wash the beets, my mom will be using water, of course, as well as a little bit of vinegar, just so that the beet is washed thoroughly. So now we're done washing all of our ingredients, so let's get to chopping. Alright guys, so now what she's doing is she's just peeling the lime, the carrots, the beets, the ginger, and she's chopping everything and putting it in the blender. Okay guys, so now that she's done chopping, she's just gonna be adding everything to the blender. Okay guys, so my mom is adding the water to the blender during the blending process, and just for your information guys, the consistency of the drink depends on the amount of water that you guys will be using. Okay guys, so now that she's done the blending process, she's just going to be running both juices through the strainer. Guys, look how rich and beautiful these colors are. Get into it. Okay, mama, I see you. So, as you can see, she's noticing that her beet juice is a little thick. So she's just gonna add a little water just to get the consistency just right. And also just so that it's easier to run right through the strainer. Wow, guys, look at that. So beautiful. Consistency is great. Okay, guys, right now my mom is about to sweeten the beet juice, but honestly, guys, sugar is optional because you can use honey as well. Just a quick tip, guys, be careful how much sugar or honey you use in your beet juice because beets are very tricky and it will have you add more sugar than what you really need. So after mixing her sugar into the beet juice, mom is just running the beet juice through the strainer one last time just to make sure that the beet juice is nice and smooth. Boom! Look on this rich drink. Uno take it in, take it in. All I need now I want a little bit of ice in one glass and you're clear. So guys, make sure so you enjoy the video, So we are wait pan. Subscribe now. And there's many more videos where this one is coming from. Love and all. Bye.